Spectrum Xumo freezes mainly due to app cache buildup, slow network speeds, or temporary device glitches. These are the main reasons why Spectrum Xumo might freeze during streaming. To fix cache issues, go to your device settings, find the Spectrum app, and clear its cache. This removes temporary data causing freezes. For network issues, test your speed to ensure at least 5 Ep for smooth streaming. A wired Ethernet connection is more stable than Wi-Fi. To fix device glitches, reboot your streaming device like Roku or Fire TV, and also your router. This clears temporary software conflicts. These steps resolve most freezing issues. Don't forget to check for updates to the Xumo app for the latest improvements. Advanced tips for when basic fixes don't resolve Spectrum Xumo freezing. If basic fixes don't work, start by updating the Spectrum app to access the latest bug fixes and improvements. Spectrum and Xumo are using AI to predict and prevent freezing issues, such as automatically clearing cache before problems occur. These updates happen automatically. For the most stable streaming experience, connect your device directly to the router using an Ethernet cable instead of relying on wireless connections. Future trends include better optimization of free streaming services and more proactive fixes through AI, potentially reducing freeze problems by 50% in the next few years.